فاش كنت ندير الشوتينغ حسيت براسي بحال اون ستار يعني لي كاميرا وماكياج.
Having the photographs taken just felt like being a supermodel.
My favourite Avon product, I don't even know how I could pick one because I love so many of them, but I would probably say, do I have to say one? Can I not say a few?
Para mí vender Avon significa independencia, belleza y diversión.
If you can look good, it makes you feel good.
Mi fa sentire bella la fiducia che ho in me stessa.
Femei care au încredere fac o lume mai bună.
Avon hayatımı çok güzel değiştirdi. En azından her şeyi alabiliyorum. İstediğimi, beğendiğimi, kendime olsun, evime olsun.
Εγώ και η Avon μπορούμε να κάνουμε έναν κόσμο καλύτερο, δίνοντας στις γυναίκες δύναμη.
Empowerment means strong, definitely. Strong woman.
The Avon Sisterhood is a network of the most independent and supportive and powerful women in the world.
Even though it's a global brand, there's still a family feel to it.
And we've all got that passion and it's kind of infectious.
Avon sprawia, że czuję się piękną.